Good morning, second grade. How are you? We are coming into Westcliffe to introduce some STEM activities as they tie into the STEAM lab that Westcliffe already has here. The areas that our students are studying and focusing on right now is changing and growing, and so we've got a lot of companies that here in the next few years are saying, hey, we need employees to be able to fill these spots. And so we want to make sure that these students at this age can still see that science and just all kinds of STEM and technology, engineering, mathematics areas are still fun and exciting and growing.
It's starting to light up a little. Wait for it to speed up. Look at that.
We want them to learn these things and get to know these concepts from the get-go, and so that as they grow older, they can see it in the real world and they can look around beyond the school walls and see these things in action. So it's exciting to see this because it's kids teaching kids, but older kids teaching younger kids, and the excitement gets passed down. That enthusiasm for science and technology and engineering gets passed down, and I could see it today.